video, we will demonstrate how Rolljak can make your corporate training sessions more fun, engaging, and interactive. Create fun and interactive quizzes to help new employees learn about your company with Rolljak's employee onboarding template. Change the prompt and questions accordingly. After the onboarding, you can use Rolljak's Getting to Know You template to help employees learn more about one another. This will allow you to tailor the content of the session to their past experiences and preferences. Assess your customer service team's knowledge with an engaging quiz during their training session. Ensure they know the necessary procedures and the importance of customer service in your company. Pro tip: adding media such as memes and gifs makes the quiz more memorable and relatable. Use the auto-scoring quiz activity to test them on their understanding of new product features or policy changes. Conduct design thinking training with Rolljak's Micro Design Sprint. Let them collaborate to give new perspectives about the product. You can train your employees to work together to come up with an innovative solution to a problem. This will help your team to solve problems in a creative and collaborative way. You can run the activities with individuals or within teams to make it more engaging and interactive. Using Rolljak in corporate training doesn't only help you achieve your goals, but also helps employees have fun while learning. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Rolljak in your corporate training today. Get rolling with Rolljak!